Heavy rains batter Bengaluru, torrential downpour that's left parts of Bengaluru waterlogged. Key junctions like the Silk Board, Outer Ring Road, all reporting traffic snarls. Water entering homes have been reported. BBMP now has been deployed to clear clogged drains as commuters were seen struggling through the flooded streets. India flags concerns over Awami League ban. The Indian government says this is a violation of due right. New Delhi, in fact, believing that legal process was not followed, and such a move to ban a major political party, that of Sheikh Hasina, could really destabilize democratic institutions in Bangladesh. India raising a flag. Spurious liquor has killed 17 people in Amritsar. At least 17 people have died and 3 others are currently in a critical condition after consuming illicit liquor in Amritsar. The tragedy, of course, has sparked outrage. Police have now launched a crackdown on bootlegging networks. BSF constable today was laid to rest, the man who laid down his life during the India-Pakistan conflict. The last rites of BSF constable Deepak Chingakam, he was killed in the line of duty, was held in Imphal, Manipur with full state honours. The Supreme Court has refused to entertain a PIL seeking an SIT probe into the violent protests in Murshidabad over Waqf Amendment Act. The bench has observed that law and order is a state subject and existing mechanisms must be used. Now, 3 LET terrorists were gunned down in Shopian in a joint operation by the army and Jammu and Kashmir police. 3 Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists were neutralized in Shopian's Keller area. 2 were identified as local operatives, while the 3rd is believed to be a Pakistani national. Search operation is still on. These images, of course, sending out a statement to Pakistan that terror will see this fate. Vijayawada tops CBSE 12th results 2025. The region has emerged as a national topper in CBSE Class 12 results this year, displacing Trivandrum to 2nd place. Telangana students, of course, showing the highest pass percentage overall, with science stream particularly scoring the best in performance. "108 fake degrees seized in Hyderabad racket." The police busting a major fake degree racket in Hyderabad, operating across Telangana and Andhra region. 108 counterfeit certificates were seized, allegedly used for jobs and foreign visa applications. Now, several agents have been detained now for questioning. Finally, coconut prices in Tamil Nadu has risen. And we hear this because 28 lakh coconut trees in Tamil Nadu have been infected by root wilt disease. And that's now facing the axe. Supply is going to be affected, prices to surge.